Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to export Blockbench models. Exporting allows you to use your model in games, engines, or other tools. First, open your model in Blockbench and make sure everything is finalized. Check your scale, rotations, pivots, and animations before exporting. Go to File in the menu bar and hover over Export. You'll see multiple export options, and each format serves a different purpose. For example, Export Block Item Model is used for JSON formats. GLTF models allow you to export models along with animations. OBJ models are commonly used for importing into Blender. FBX is a proprietary 3D format developed by Autodesk. Select a save location and export the model. Blockbench will generate the file based on the format you selected. And that's how to export Blockbench models. Thank you so much for watching.